Hello friends, welcome to Nand Kishore classes. Today's lecture is going to be very interesting. Today we are going to do a word problem related to linear equation in one variable. Please have a look very carefully. Age of A is 5 years more than that of B. A is elder to B now. How we will start this question? Let us consider, let present age of B be x years. We will consider age of B as x because age of A is dependent on B. Now what will be present age of A? It will be x plus 5 years. Right? So we considered these two ages based on the first line of the question. Then it is told 5 years ago. That means 5 years before than today. Let me write 5 years ago. First of all, let us analyze what will happen 5 years ago. B's age. What will be the age of B 5 years ago? If today B is of x years old, 5 years ago his age will be x minus 5. Obviously 5 years lesser than today. At the same time, 5 years ago, what will be the age of A? Today it is x plus 5. When you minus 5 from it, this 5 will be cancelled and you will be left with only x, like this. That means 5 years ago, age of A was x years, age of B was x minus 5 years. Let us read the statement now. 5 years ago, ratio of their ages was 3:2. That means whatever their age was, and do remember in the whole question, A is elder in age. You should remember it. That is why, since this ratio is given as 3:2, so upper value numerator is the person who is bigger in age. That means A's age will come at top. 5 years ago, what was A's age? It was x. And what was B's age? It was x minus 5. And this ratio is given as 3/2. You can read the statement once again. 5 years ago, whatever their age was, their ratio was 3:2. We just need to simplify this equation. Cross multiplied, this 2 comes to this side, we get 2x. Cross multiplied, 3 will be multiplied with both the terms x and 5. What will we get? 3 multiplied with x is 3x, and 3 multiplied with minus 5, you get minus 15. And once we solve it, 3x comes to let's suppose left side. That means minus x equal to minus 15. Minus and minus cancelled, you will get x is equal to 15. Now what is the meaning of x? We are told to find both present ages. If x is 15, that means present age of B is 15 years. Do remember to write unit along with it. And present age of A, the second column. Present age of A means 15 plus 5. And what will 15 plus 5 gives? 20 years. That means A's present age is 20 years and B's present age is 15 years. I hope you are clear with the concept. Thank you so much for watching today's video.